Today, I'm going to solve a problem using the Pythagorean Theorem that also applies to real life to calculate the amount of cable needed inside an amusement park. But first, subscribe to the channel and give your feedback by subscribing. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and comment. In a park, a zip line will be installed that connects the top of a tower to the ground. The tower is 20 meters tall, and it's 48 meters away from the landing point. What is the length of the zipline cable that needs to be purchased? Let's solve it here. The height is 20 meters, and it's 48 meters from the landing point, which is here. And the cable, which is what we don't know, is actually the hypotenuse. So, what is the required length of the cable? Let's calculate it here using the Pythagorean Theorem, which states that a squared equals b squared plus c squared, where a is the hypotenuse and b and c are the legs. So the sum of the squares of the legs equals the square of the hypotenuse. So substituting the values, we get a squared equals 20 squared plus 48 squared. Continuing, the hypotenuse squared equals 20 times 20, which is 400, plus 48 times 48, which is 2,304. Therefore, when we add them, we get a squared equals 2,704. Since it's an exponent, it goes to the other side as a root, so we have a equals the square root of 2,704. A equals 52, because 52 times 52 is 2,704. That's the length of cable needed to install the zip line, 52 meters. Here's the answer in a real-life situation where you can use the Pythagorean Theorem in practice. Well, if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.